Guys, Nerva, untraceable and secure, only mineable by CPUs, only solo mineable. They just had a hard fork. Let me show you how to get it running and talk about some of the awesome features coming out. Let's go. Okay guys, about a million things has happened with this project since I've made a video. It's still fantastic and amazing, and the people are awesome, and the dev is just killing it, and the community is killing it with new stuff. But with this new fork, let me talk about this first before I show you how to make sure you're on the right fork and that you're doing the right stuff. The new fork though is going to make transfers cheaper, so that's a win for everybody. Angry Wasp, the main developer, has created some plugins for commerce. WooCommerce has plugin. Let me show you. He's got a couple examples where people are using the plugin on there, and it works. Just making it easier to use Nerva, which is better for everybody. They've got Ledger support now, so that's fantastic if you use Ledger. They're trying to get on new exchanges all the time. They're on Kradex, Trade Ogre. They're working on getting on, I guess, transactionbit.io, and we are voting as often as we can. Number 3 right now, so that's pretty cool. Should be able to beat those guys, but even if they don't, I think the next round they do this should move Nerva right up the list. So if you're a big fan of Nerva, if you've watched some of my videos in the past and you're a big fan of Nerva but you haven't been to Discord lately, go to Discord. I'll actually share this this voting link with you, and you can go and vote if you want Nerva to be listed on more exchanges. More exchanges mean more volume, mean better trading, means good stuff for everybody. Another cool thing is they have a node map, so that's happening now, and that's pretty cool. That just shows that it just shows where we're at all over the country, right? So all the nodes. It's a very highly supported, decentralized project. Is this my location? Where am I at? I am right over in Nashville somewhere. I'm probably over in this area. There. That's not me. I don't have a node, but apparently someone does. Very cool. Very good stuff. And I'll put all these links down here. What was it? There was something else I wanted to show you, I think. Oh, the algorithm's improved. So there's that. Just to keep it probably continually only CPU, so the ASICs and the GPUs can't get in and jack things up. Just lots and lots of new things happening on this project. It's amazing. It's cool. I give it 6 thumbs up. So I love it. So what you want to do, make sure that you're on the right fork, is you're going to want to go to their download section. Download the CLI, download the GUI if you haven't done it for a while. They're on version 1.6.4. If you download the GUI, it'll come with 1.6.4 when it installs. But if you want to run the command line interface tools, you can download that as well. I said as well, not download it as well. You can download it instead. You can run them both if you want to switch back and forth for some weird reason. But you know, you probably want to do one or the other. So either download the command line interface tools, or the GUI, either one or both, and play around, right? So they'll come in as zip files. You want to expand them or extract them, and then let's just go over how to do. So you'll want to grab your wallet files from your previous version. So go get your wallet files. It looks like something like that. .cache, .keys, and then you'll want to run Nerva D. Now, so if you open Nerva D and it doesn't respond, it gives you this this map. No, and it doesn't go any farther. It just sits there. You can get more logging. For some reason, it's working for me now. It wasn't earlier, but you can get more logging. You can get more verboseness if you just you want to just call out, go up to your address line, do nervad.exe, and then right there you can put in these log levels right here. Just do log level 1, log level 2, hit enter, and you'll get more verbosity. You're going to get more information as to what's going on. So, but if you're okay with not, just let it run, and it will start to synchronize, and it will be fantastic. Let that run. If you've been running CLI before, you know that you just want to let that run, and then open up your wallet, and it'll ask you for your wallet name and ask you to log in, and you'll put in your password, and there you go. Okay, so for the GUI, you just extract the files. You'll double click your Nerva Toolkit EXE. It'll start to install a bunch of stuff. It'll ask you if you want to create or import a wallet. If you're If this isn't your first time, just create a fake wallet. I created test. I think it'll produce a folder called wallets, and you'll see your fake wallet in there. It's faster to do it that way. It'll also bring in the newest CLI 164, and so that it can run it. Then you'll try to run the exe file, and you might see it blink. It's because you've got some DLLs that are being blocked. Serializer's DLL, maybe serializer's DLL, one of the two, or both. If you go to app log and you open it up, it'll tell you which one is blocking. You'll just right click on it, hit go to properties, and then down here it'll say that it's being blocked, and you'll just click unblock. So we've talked about that before on my last video on how to run that GUI. It's really the same exact thing. Bring your wallets in, then so copy your wallet files, bring them in, put them in the wallets folder, open your exe up, and then you're good to go. You'll see down here 164. That's awesome. You can go to wallet, hit open. You should see a drop down, and you should see your other wallet that you put in there, and you should be good to go, guys. So that's it, man. We got a new fork. Nerva's still chugging along, doing fantastic. Keep checking them out. If it's the first time you ever heard of them, check them out. Check them out, other videos on them. They're amazing, and it's a really, really hot project. So thank you. Give me a like. Give me a sub. Give me some comments. Love to hear from you. Thanks a lot. Peace.